Hi viewers, welcome to Enchanting English. Proficiency in the English language is a dream of many students. As a teacher, I have felt that a sound knowledge in grammar would definitely help the students use the language with confidence. And hence, here is a channel for you exclusively for learning English grammar. Today, we are going to learn tenses in detail. Let's understand the meaning of the term tenses. Tenses refer to the time of an action or event. The verb of a given sentence shows its tense. A verb which refers to the present time is said to be in the present tense. A verb which refers to the past time is said to be in the past tense. A verb that refers to the future time is said to be in the future tense. Now let's learn present tense in detail. Let's look at the following examples. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I am eating lunch now. I have eaten lunch. I have been eating lunch from 1 o'clock. Let's go in detail with the sentences. The first one, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Look at the verb given there, eat. It is in simple present tense. And what do you highlight here? You highlight the habit of the subject, that is I. It's my habit to eat lunch at 1 p.m. The second sentence, I am eating lunch now. You have am eating as a verb and it is said to be in present continuous or present progressive tense. Here, the action is happening at the time of speaking. The third sentence, I have eaten lunch. Have eaten is a verb there and it is in present perfect tense. And there, what do you emphasize? You emphasize the fact that lunch was eaten sometime in the past and its result is seen now. Probably that's why I don't feel hungry now. The last sentence, I have been eating lunch from 1 o'clock. Here, have been eating lunch is said to be in present perfect continuous tense. And now, how is this sentence different from the previous one? Here, you mean that the action of eating started at 1 o'clock and it continues to the present and is still in progress. Let's look at some more examples with a different subject. Sheila sings. Sheila is singing at present. Sheila has sung at the competition. Sheila has been singing since morning. The first one, sings, is in simple present tense. The second is singing, present continuous. The third has sung, present perfect. And the fourth one has been singing, present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense is used to express a habitual action. Look at the example given here. I drink tea every morning. It means it's my habit to drink every morning. She visits temple on all Fridays. It's a habit to visit temple on every Friday. The second use is this, to express universal truth. The earth revolves around the sun. Honey is sweet. All these sentences express universal truth. The third one, to express a plan and fixed event. The match starts at 9 a.m. The president arrives tomorrow. Look at these sentences here. The second one, tomorrow, of course, it's a future time. But we use simple present tense to convey a future event because it is a planned and fixed event. So hence we say the president arrives tomorrow. This is the fourth use, to introduce quotation. Look at the sentence. Kalam says, never be a prisoner of your past. Here you are introducing quotation using says, which is in simple present tense. Now, this is the fifth use of simple present tense. In clauses of time and condition, we use simple present tense. Let's look at the example. I shall wait till you finish your exam. Till you finish your exam. It shows time, right? So we use simple present tense here. If you study well, you will pass. If you study well, it is a clause of condition. There you use simple present tense, which is study. Now, let's see present continuous uses. Present continuous tense is used to indicate an action going on at the time of speaking. Look at the example. She is riding a cycle now. At the time of speaking, the action of riding is in progress. Teachers are training their students at present. At the time of action, teachers are training. To express an action in the future. Example, we are going to watch a film tonight. See, the action of watching a film is going to happen in the near future, which is tonight. My uncle is arriving this morning. Again, it denotes a near future and we use present continuous tense and hence you find is arriving there. Let's look at present perfect tense uses. Present perfect tense is used to refer to an action just completed. Look at the example. He has just gone out. And that's why normally with just you get present perfect tense. The second use is this, to refer to past action when time is not given. Example, I have visited Delhi. See, there is no mention about when Delhi was visited by me. Hence, we are using present perfect tense, not simple past tense. You cannot say, I visited Delhi. Only if time is mentioned there, you can say, I visited Delhi. Probably like, I visited Delhi last month is correct. But I have visited Delhi here because there is no mention of the time. The third, to refer to past actions or events whose results are seen in the present. Look at the sentence given here. It has rained heavily. Again here, the action happened in the past, but its result is seen in the present. It has rained heavily and hence you see the streets have become muddy. So its result is seen in the present. Let's look at the last tense from the present form. It is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to refer to an action which began in the past and is still continuing. Look at the example. He has been sleeping for 6 hours. The action of sleeping began 6 hours before and it's still continuing. Even at the time of speaking, he is sleeping. Look at one more example. They have been working hard since 2015. The action of working hard started in the year 2015 and it's now 2020. Even then, he keeps working. That's the meaning. Now, let's go with some exercises. Fill in the blanks using the suitable form of present tense. Look at the first sentence. I visit many places in England. Which form of the present tense will you use here? Of course, have visited, present perfect tense, because there is no mention of the time when England was visited. Time is not mentioned here and hence it is present perfect tense. Look at the second sentence. Priya write letter since morning. The answer is definitely has been writing. Meaning here you have a clue word since. It shows that the action started in the morning and it continues to the present. Let's look at the third question. Stars dash shine at night. Here, of course, the answer is shine itself because it shows a universal truth, a universal phenomenon. Stars shine at night. So, simple present tense. Let's look at the fourth sentence. Look, she dash cut the plants. Here, the speaker is urging the listener to look at something, and hence the action is in progress. So, what is the answer? Is cutting, present continuous tense. The fifth question. She dash read newspaper every day. This is, of course, a very simple answer. This expresses the habitual action, and hence the answer is reads, simple present tense. Let's look at the sixth sentence now. Joseph dash live here for 10 years. Here the action started 10 years before. So you will use present perfect continuous tense. Has been living. The seventh question. The earth dash demand everyone's attention. The earth is demanding everyone's attention because it is happening at present. The eighth one, the ground is dry. All the water dash in bracket drain has rained because you understand that the ground has become dry because of this. The result is seen. Tina dash brush her teeth every morning and night. Here again you see the habitual action taking place, and hence the answer is in present simple form, that is brushes. The last one, the president dash leave for Japan next Friday. Of course, here the action is happening in the future, but it is a plan and fixed action, and hence the answer is simple present tense, leaves. Hi, if you found the session useful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Enchanting English. Thank you.